Welcome to the Bitcoin.com weekly update. My name's Corbin Fraser. Today is Friday, December 4th, 2020. Today we're going to be talking all about how Bitcoin has hit its new all-time high. Everyone's very excited about that. And before that, we've got a few other cryptocurrency stories which caught our eye. So stimulus payments affected by government shutdown. As U.S. lawmakers continue their stimulus negotiations, the government is facing a potential shutdown, which can only be prevented if lawmakers pass a spending bill before the December 11th deadline. To prevent the shutdown, lawmakers need to decide where the money will go on the agreed overall $1.4 trillion federal budget. In addition to the spending bill, lawmakers also need to decide whether to approve another coronavirus relief aid package. Time is rapidly running out to pass a package by the year's end, as several major benefits provided by President Donald Trump's CARES Act are running out. And next, Gary Cohn thinks Bitcoin may fail. Gary. So former top economic advisor to President Donald Trump and president of Goldman Sachs has shared his view about Bitcoin, claiming that it lacks some of the basic integrity of a real market. So while pessimistic about Bitcoin, Cohn said he's very bullish about blockchain technology, noting that they are the highways and pipes that are necessary for Bitcoin and for many other applications. Right off the bat, anyone who dismisses Bitcoin and cryptocurrency but immediately says, like, but blockchain's cool, you can usually stop listening to them. Gary, you're a dummy. Facebook's Libra cryptocurrency to launch in January. Facebook is reportedly preparing to launch with a single cryptocurrency, a scaled-down version of its original plan after being scrutinized by regulators worldwide. According to the revised Libra white paper, the Libra Association intended to initially launch with some of the currencies in the proposed Libra basket, such as USD, Euro, and the Pound, along with several others. However, the Financial Times reported Friday that the association would now initially just launch a single coin backed one-for-one by the dollar, with other currencies being rolled out at a later point. So whatever your opinion is of Libra, it is kind of interesting that they're still going ahead with this despite all the regulatory concerns. Very optimistic. That's very cool. And the big story, the exciting story, the one that we're all kind of cautiously watching daily, or is that just me? I don't know. Bitcoin hitting a new all-time high. It has been over 1,000 days since Bitcoin hit its previous all-time high, which was recorded in December 2017. At the time of me recording this video, the price is currently hovering around $19,000. It's kind of been up and down between 19, 19.4. Although it has taken almost 3 years for the price to recover, it seems that Bitcoin and cryptocurrencies are very much back in the spotlight, and a lot of sentiment is suggesting that we find ourselves in a bull run, with some suggesting that this could follow similar price patterns of years past, which included 3 distinct bull runs, each of which saw huge price spikes followed by significant drops. So for those who are unaware of the previous all-time highs, they were as follows. $31 recorded in 2011, followed by a drop to $2. Pretty big. Then the next big increase was during the economic fiasco in Cyprus and during the heyday of Mt. Gox. Bitcoin went up to $1,153 and then proceeded to fall to $173. And then in 2017, when the price shot up just below $20,000, depending on what exchange you were trading on, one difference this time is that Bitcoin seems to be more accepted by the public. We see companies like Facebook scrambling to release their own cryptocurrency, or MicroStrategy are using Bitcoin as a reserve asset. When we hear someone like Gary Cohn say he thinks Bitcoin may fail, but he's bullish on blockchain, well, like I said, people were saying the same thing in 2017 as well, and a lot of these people have been proven wrong time and time again. So no one can predict the price exactly, but public perception has changed, and more people are more open to the idea of Bitcoin, cryptocurrency, as well as blockchain being a part of their future. So personally, I kind of find this whole price run up, it's kind of on trend with where everyone was expecting it to go. I find it not really surprising, but it's still exciting for me. I catch myself every morning checking the price, going to bed, I'm checking the price. This very much has a lot of the same feelings as 2017, with one exception. I feel like the entire ecosystem is built out in such a way now that if this price can hold, and if we see the type of adoption and kind of mad dash into the cryptocurrency industry and cryptocurrency space like we did in 2017, The ecosystem built around Bitcoin, Ethereum, Bitcoin Cash, the wallets, the usability, the on-ramps and the off-ramps, everything is built out in a much better way than it was just a few years ago. So I'm very optimistic. I feel like, we can't predict the price. And it says here I'm not supposed to make any guesses or any, disclaimers. But personally, totally off the record, totally not associated to Bitcoin.com. Personally, I think the price is going to keep going up. But that's just my take. You can shove this video in my face if it dumps down. But I think we're going up. I think we're going up, guys. It's going to be fun. Tune in next week. Subscribe. Maybe we'll be updating more on the price then. We'll see what things are doing in a couple weeks' time. It'll be kind of fun. So yeah, like I said, subscribe, leave a comment. Let us know what you think. What's the price going to do? Is this thing going to keep going up? Is this another 2017? Is this the new normal for cryptocurrency? Let us know. Very curious. And we'll see you next week. Thanks, guys.